everyone, it's Jill. I am going to show you how to make dishwasher soap. So you can use any kind of fragrance that you want in there. I usually make a lemon, but today I'm making a lavender for a lady that likes lavender, the scent of lavender. So her dishwasher soap is going to have lavender in it, which is going to be absolutely lovely. So you're going to you need to have a cup of each. So you're going to do a cup of borax, which is going in here, okay? And this doesn't have to be like complete rocket science, or like you really have to have this down to a science. You don't, because this is your dishwasher soap. So, but you do need to get these chunks out of here. So you can crush those up. This is a half a cup of regular salt. And people ask me, why do you use that? Why do you use salt? And the reason why is because it gets rid of the spots that are on your dishes. So I'm making this for a lady, like I said, who likes lavender. I'm giving her like a 6-month supply of dishwasher soap. And I used to absolutely love those little pods, little plastic pods. But those plastic pods, the microplastics get into our water and our sewer system. I just don't think it's that good of an idea to be doing that. So I'm making my own, and this is my regular soap that I've used it's right here, my regular soap that I make. And I make a lot of soap, and everything I do I kind of give away. I enjoy this, and if you yourself would like some soap, I'm more than happy to make some and give some to you as well. So I'm going to try to finish this one up here. And you're going to get little bigger chunks in here when you come down to the end, and that's fine too. Now, if you don't have your own soap, you can use like an ivory or just a laundry bar soap. And the reason why we're doing this is because I was just super offended by how expensive it was getting. That little bag of dishwasher soap was like $28, seriously. And we do so many dishes. So anyway, there it is. You're going to put it into your bullet, hopefully. And it's going to get stuck up on there, so you're just going to pull it down, give it a little tap, turn it back. So I'm over here happily making this for Edward's wife, and I'm hoping that she likes it. And now remember, you want a cup of this, so tap it down. It's going to a little bit of a dust. This is probably not a cup. Maybe close to it. Close. It's usually about 2 bars of my soap equals a cup of it, it all down. And for whatever reason, I just get a joy out of helping other people have something that's handcrafted. And I don't expect anything from it, just that they're happy, they got it. So. So that is 1 cup. That's 1 complete cup. I'm going to put back in here just for a little bit. Okay, so my salt's in there, my borax is in there. 1 cup of soap is now going in. Looks beautiful. We'll call Edward's wife Lavender Lady. I don't know her name. But this is going to be her lavender.
You can activate the Insta360 remotely and look at it on your phone. So you can just leave it somewhere and it almost be like a security device.
That's super cool.
I mean, there's other things to do that, but I didn't know to do that. It's pretty cool.
Like a 007
Yeah.
thing going on. Oh, Lavender Lady, you were gonna like this. Smells really good. So, I don't like the way that's coming out of the thing. I like Nature's Oil. I like that company the best. That's what this is, Nature's Oil. My husband's gonna think that's way too strong. He's gonna have to open up a window or something. So, anyway, it smells wonderful. So she's going to get, about a 6-month supply of dishwasher soap and a dozen of these really pretty lavender, and it's made out of rice water, and I can show you guys how to make a rice water as well, which is, the soap is fantastic when you're using like a rice water. So here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in little canning jars. I think it's kind of the best way to kind of transport them. I'll put a little label on there, and it'll be lavender dishwasher soap for Lavender Lady.